Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Solana, SOL, rallies to become sixth largest cryptocurrency. Here's why. Solana, SOL, the native token on the popular proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain, became the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization following a stellar rally over the past week. The token jumped 2 spots in the list on Thursday, overtaking Ripple, XRP, and Cardano, ADA, while also avoiding broader weakness in the crypto market. SOL jumped nearly 17% over the past 7 days and was last trading around $120, its highest level since late November. The token also rose 0.4% in the past 24 hours, while the broader crypto market fell around 5%. The token surged through the second half of March, recovering sharply from a 7-month low hit in the middle of the month. It had earlier this week overtaken Terra enthusiasts. OpenSea to give Magic Eden a run for its money when the integration happens. Solana will become the 4th network to have its NFTs traded on OpenSea. Currently, Polygon, Ethereum, and Platin are the only blockchains whose NFTs are trading on OpenSea. The biggest marketplace for Solana NFTs is Magic Eden. It remains to be seen whether its 2% transaction fee, which is 50 basis points lower than OpenSea's, will keep users on Magic Eden. Solana's inclusion into the OpenSea platform could help OpenSea regain its dominance of the NFT market, which was being eroded by a new entrant, LooksRare. Since its inception, LooksRare has registered over 55,000 new users and recorded over $21 billion in trading volume. In comparison, OpenSea recorded just over $12 billion in trading volume over the same period, despite registering more new users than LooksRare. Higher, while Ethereum, XRP, Terra are trading nearly 6%, 4%, and 20% higher, respectively. Also, privacy coins Monero, XMR, Zcash, ZEC, and Secret, SCRT, are up 19%, 18%, and 15%, featuring in the top 5 coins in terms of gains, respectively. Traders are still awaiting the final executive order, but the quick Treasury statement, which appeared supportive of cryptocurrencies, was enough to boost sentiment in the crypto market. The leaked Treasury statement has been welcomed by the crypto market as it seems to focus on the development of the industry, rather than on imposing unrealistic regulations, said Yaya Hasegawa, market analyst at Japanese cryptocurrency exchange Bitbank. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen applauds the crypto executive order, calling it historic, and the one that strikes the balance between responsible innovation and addressing consumer protection needs. As per details, Yellen says, President Biden's historic executive order calls for a coordinated and comprehensive approach to digital asset policy. This approach will support responsible innovation that could result in substantial benefits for the nation, consumers, and businesses. While the crypto market shoots higher, on the other side, the Asian equity market opened mixed considering the ongoing Russian-Ukraine crisis, with benchmark indices and futures suggesting a positive outlook amid uncertainty. Indian and European markets rose after reports of Russian humanitarian corridors opening surfaced by media outlets. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Stablecoin Casio on Solana exploited for $28 million. An infinite mint glitch. Stablecoin on the Solana blockchain has been exploited for $28 million and lost practically all of its value. Casio Dollar, Cash, is an algorithmic stablecoin that was launched by a developer called Zero's Gus Chain in November 2021. Anyone can mint tokens by depositing liquidity tokens for the 2 stablecoins UDST and USDC from the Saber platform. They can redeem the stablecoin for the underlying liquidity tokens. The exploit happened shortly after 9 a.m. UTC. According to data tracking site DeFi Llama, the total value locked within the protocol fell from $28.87 million to $569,000. At the same time, the price of the stablecoin dropped from $1 to practically zero, per data tracking site CoinGecko. Please do not mint any cash. There is an infinite mint glitch. We are investigating the issue, and we believe we have found the root cause. Please withdraw your funds from pools. We will publish a post-mortem ASAP, tweeted Zero's Gushing today. An infinite mint glitch is where a protocol is mistakenly designed in such a way that allows a user to mint as many tokens focus on Bitcoin, BTC, with just over 50% of the capital going into products based on BTC, which saw inflows totaling $98 million. Solana, SOL, was runner-up, seeing $87 million inflows for the week, a figure that CoinShares says is the largest single week of inflows on record. SOL-based funds now represent 36% of assets under management with institutional firms, the largest altcoin after Ether. ETH-based funds saw inflows last week totaling just $10.2 million. Europe was the significant contributor, with firms seemingly bolstered by the news that the bill banning proof-of-work (POW) mining did not pass. 76% of inflows, or about $147 million, came from the region last week. The figures from the report are in sharp contrast to the data the week prior, which saw $49.4 million withdrawn from BTC and ETH from mostly North American firms, with concerns regarding increasing crypto regulations. Related, Yasko says DeFi is quickly evolving, and cloning financial markets. The inflows of cash by institutional firms correlate with the price of Bitcoin seeing a recent surge above $48,500 at one point. The same was true with Ether, which broke out over $3,300. Price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SOL could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Solana could cross $1,220.19 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $1,052.77. SOL price prediction 2029. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Solana will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2029, SOL is expected to peak at $1,774.86. The minimum bet could rise to $1,443.62 if the market turns bullish. Solana price prediction 2030. It appears that by 2030, Solana, SOL, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2030, we can expect the average rate to be $2,137.86. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Solana's maximum price could be up to $2,572.46 in 2030. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.